believe it has a lot to do with confidence. People think it's the clothes. Sure, it is to a certain extent because that's what makes us feel our best. So when we feel our best, we show that to everyone else, right? People can feel that confidence. People can feel how happy we are or if we're glowing, and that comes within, right? But on an outsider's perspective, I would say looking hot would be definitely making the proper choices. So absolutely, you want to wear you want to look sexy, you want to wear like a short skirt, great, more power to you. If you have the confidence and you want to do that, that's perfect, do it. But do it in a way where, sure, you wear a short skirt, but you don't wear a revealing top, because then that's showing too much. And part of having that sex appeal or being attractive is also retaining some type of mystery. There's always a sense of balance. And also you'll feel more comfortable in long end, and that is very attractive because a lot of men or women who are attracted to women want women that look like they're not trying too hard, that they have that confidence and that their body is a tool, but it's not the only tool.